Local news for Tuesday the 8th of August. Chris Bishop, National List MP in Hutt South, has announced that National's $37 million commitment to a range of commuter rail upgrades in Wellington will benefit the Wairarapa rail commuters as well. Mr Bishop says, "I'm very pleased that National will implement full double tracking on the Hutt Valley line between Upper Hutt and Trentham. The 3 kilometre long single section of track is a major constraint on the network and puts pressure on timetables throughout the system, as well as creating reliability issues." He says the announcement means $22 million will be spent on new track and signals, and this will improve reliability and timelines for trains for both the Hutt and Wairarapa commuters. July was a month where Wairarapa again saw a spending growth. Across the country, the Lions Tour added a boost to spending as the annual accommodation sector growth rate was 15.4% in June and dropped to only 8.2% in July, the lowest accommodation sector rate growth since March 2014. Locally, $0.96 million was spent in the region with an annual percentage change of 5.9%. And locally in sports, Wairarapa United have been knocked out of the Chatham Cup on Sunday by Central United from Auckland. The match was 0-0 at half-time and in fact till the 80th minute before Central broke the deadlock and scored one more as well before full-time. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.